ability to make an income that gives you the life you want. Let's face it, there are two types of people. The first type has a job. They trade hours for dollars. They wait on paydays, they hope for raises, and every month, the bills decide how they live. Then there's the second type. They figured out freedom of the laptop lifestyle. The people making money online aren't grinding. They're running systems, and today, those systems are powered by AI. You're stepping into something designed to make money. There is a reason you are seeing AI everywhere. It is now your turn to use it to make you an income most people only dream about. You're not guessing. You're not figuring it out. It's leverage. Instead of asking, how many hours do you have to work? The question becomes, how much do you want to make? If you're tired of being broke, capped, or controlled, if you're done pretending your job is fine, and you're ready to get into the world of AI that can give you the lifestyle you deserve and the freedom of doing it from anywhere, then let us be the first to welcome you to the laptop lifestyle powered by AI.